Hello, I would like to show you our C grade. Why we call the C grade? Actually, there is unlock, iCloud free. Is the most of them is no pro. Is good conditions. And for example, this one is the cosmetic is B Grade Cozmetics. So you see the screen and everything, but I think this one is SIM card cannot read or some other, yeah, have issues, SIM card cannot read, I think. And this one is the cosmetics is AB grade, and this one is have Wi-Fi no press, Wi-Fi button is no press. So this one is the B grade cosmetics. So the cosmetic condition graded is good, but this one is I think on-off button doesn't work. And this one is the B grade cosmetics. This one is the camera problems, and this one is grade we didn't write. I think this one is the graded as AB grade, yeah. And this one is the problem is the LCD. LCD means it's not is the LCD screen is problem. Someone is the touch problem, touch not moving, or some other different. Maybe someone is have live. And the back camera problem, this one. And this one is again say the LCD, but means it's not completely LCD problems. Let me try to turn on. Maybe touch problems, maybe some others. And the inside have some bad Face ID, maybe some little bit percentage. So you see the LCDs come, but maybe when it's working the touch is freezing or some others problem. As the someone is, you see, actually this one is maybe fully function, but about this problem we say LCD problem. You see the one in the corner have some like something like this. So the phone fully function, but have here little bit problems, then we say LCD problems. This one is the same problem. I think this one is the LCD is working. Let me check. Yeah, the LCD I think is working, but here have little bit some broken, and then that's why we say LCD and back camera. So this is the LCD is working, but only problem here from the touch little bit broken or screws. Actually, see very closely, I show you. Yeah, like these things. The other one is also like this. You can see that. Yeah, and also here some scratch. Yeah. So stock is like this. We have this quantity. Let me know if you are interested in this stock.